ഇന്നത്തെ സർഗവേളയിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. പ്രോഗ്രാമിലേക്ക് നടക്കാം. Electrician Anada Appukutan.
Good evening, everyone. Today I want to talk to you about something importance of reading. Reading like a magic key that opens up a world of fun and adventure.
Courage that I am a kind man until and repeated by the voice of
Oh, wonderful nature. You are very beautiful. Today I want to talk to you something very important topic. Exercise. Exercise means moving our bodies to stay healthy and strong. When
കണ്ടതയ്യാ ചക്കരത്തുണ്ടാണ് കണ്ടതയ്യാ എല്ലാരും ചെല്ലണം. നിർദ്ദേശത്തിന് നേന്ത്രപ്പഴം ചെറുപ്പപ്പഴം ഒരു 10-100 മാനച്ചൂടപ്പപ്പടം.
such places.
Novels prize and prejudice.
Major point and critic area for in Pakistan and for the Charles known as father of English literature and was known for his epic poem Paradise Lost, which
Another of Jane Eyre, which tells story of a throne and
by the name of Maria and Evans. She brought Middlemarch a detailed and proper
author of the key figure in modernist literature,
known for their novels based the Dickens and Post.
About English.
a new reading added to English dictionary ability.
First, vocabulary of English.
the least commonly used letter is Z.
A shortest complete sentence is English is I-O.
The most commonly used letter in English is.
Thank you.